Hi and welcome to the video summary for lesson 4.1, section 3.4 again. So, are you hungry yet? All that talking and reading about food? I'm famished. Now, some of these questions are quite tricky, and you may need to listen 2 or 3 times to find them all. But you should be getting used to my style of questions by now, so they're really getting easier, right? Let's go through the answers and find out. Main reading 2.1, deciding where to go. The reading outlined the different things you should consider when choosing a restaurant. We outlined 7 criteria you should consider, including location, ambiance, value for money, service, hygiene, cuisine, and lastly, the chef himself. Let's breeze through the answers that you should have found. Question 1. Answer C. A local restaurant is great because you can walk there. Try not to have a cab ride cost added to the bill. And be sure not to drive home after drinking wine. Question 2. Answer D. There is no golden bullet criteria here. It's just whatever takes your fancy. Answer D. Question 3, answer D again. For a meeting over dinner, always choose a restaurant with a private room. Question 4, answer B. Check the restroom. If it's clean in there, then that's a good sign the kitchen is spotless too. Check the restroom. Question 5. Answer A. If it's a special occasion, then best to choose somewhere that you know well. Don't take any chances with an event that you can't repeat. It has to be perfect first time. Okay, short and sweet, section 2.2 over. Was it easy? I hope so, as we go on to 2.4 and a short review of how restaurants can advertise their services. 2 screenshots of a Facebook page for my favorite restaurant here in Taichung. Let's shoot through the answers that you should have found. Let's look at the missing word answers. Question 1. Address is B. 446 Zhongmei Street, Taichung 40360. Question 2. Answer C. 107 people. I don't have 6,000 or 8,000 friends. If you put that, well, you must really like me a lot to think that I'm so popular. Question 3. Answer C. 8,859 people have checked into there when the screenshot was taken. Quite the popular cafe it is. Question 4. Answer B. It's near the National Museum of Natural Science and China Medical University. We can see these 2 landmark places on the map. Question 5. Answer B again. The Uptowner serves American diner-style food. Burgers, omelettes, breakfast, that sort of thing. Question 6. Here we have to look at the chart. The busiest time is between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. From experience, I can tell you that Wednesdays and Fridays are the busiest days, but the chart doesn't say this. Friday is the start of the weekend, and Wednesday is wing night, just in case you want to go. Question 7. You can contact them by phone or messenger message. There is no email address given, just the website. So you can't email. Hence, answer C is correct. Question 8. Question 8 asked us how many people follow this page, and with careful scrutiny, you can see that 6,892 people follow this page. Answer A was correct then. Question 9, a tricky question here. I asked you for the number to call from a mobile. So you need the area code 04 for Taichung, and then 22360429. Answer A. You don't need the Taiwanese country code. Question 10. Here, you had to find the web page address on the Facebook screenshot, and then go and take a look at it on your own device. Answer B, my favourite personal spot on breakfast, is 2 eggs, bacon, toast, and a hash brown. Now, many of you may be thinking that you don't know what a hash brown is, but you do know what the other choices are. Question 11, the answer was C. There are 3 eggs used in each omelette. And question 12, C again, a BC Benny is 310 NT dollars. Finally, question 13, about the opening hours. Well, it's open from 7 a.m. in the morning until 10 p.m. every day of the year. Okay. Take a break, have a rest, then we'll move on. Okay, on to section 3 then, where 3.1 is a vocabulary review. Use Google or something similar to find the meanings of the words. Section 3.1b is a crossword that uses the words in 3.1a as a basis. Now this is hard, so take your time. Section 3.2 is a bunch of questions about 2 conversations at a restaurant. The first conversation is between our happy couple and the maitre d'. Now, maitre d' is actually a French term for master of the house. He or she is the person in charge of the restaurant upstairs, but not the kitchen. All the waiting staff follow his or her instructions. The second conversation was Keith and Beverly ordering a nice meal. Let's take a look at the questions from Dialogue 3.2.1 and 3.2.2. Now, the Part A questions were true or false questions. These should be relatively easy for you. Question 1. The answer was false. They sat in the lounge first. They did not go directly to their table. Question 2. False again. Keith ordered gin and tonic, while Beverly ordered a white wine. Question 3. Now, this one was true. The waiter says he will bring them hot bread straight from the oven, suggesting very strongly that the oven is actually in the restaurant kitchen. Question 4. Now this was false. Neither Keith nor Beverly order a special meal of the day. Lastly, number 5. That was true. Beverly asked the waiter to have her steak done rare. That is, it's cooked so it's a little pink in the middle and there's just a little blood. On to Part B. This was the multiple choice question. Question 1, the answer was A. The busboy is still clearing the table. Question 2, the answer was C. The maitre d' gave the couple their menus, not the waiter. Question 3, answer C. Keith orders salmon and rice. Question 4, C again. Lemon torte is the dessert of the day, but neither of our speakers order it. Question 5, B. Beverly wants to leave a big tip because the waiter is very nice. Moving on to Part C. Sentence completion. Question 1, the answer was specials. Specials. Question 2, The answer was tort. Tort. T-O-R-T-E. Tort. Question 3. The answer was sauce. Sauce. S-A-U-C-E. Question 4. The answer was dressing. Dressing. Question 5. The answer is appetizer. Appetizer. A-P-P-E-T-I-Z-E-R. Question 6. Decaf. Decaf. D-E-C-A-F. Question 7. The answer was rare. Rare. Question 8. The answer was entree. Entree. E-N-T-R-E-E. And for those of you who are wondering why I'm only spelling some of the words, well, I'm only spelling the ones that you may not have come across before, the special words that are unusual. One would expect you to be able to spell dressing and rare. Let's move on to part D, the odd one out. Question 1, the answer was A. The concierge works in a hotel, not a restaurant like the other 3. Question 2, the answer was B. Coffee. All the other drinks are alcoholic drinks. Question 3, the answer was D. Beverage is a drink, while the others are all kinds of potato dishes. Question 4, the answer was A. Entree is the main dish, while the other 3 are desserts. Question 5, answer B. Appetizer. The others are different ways of cooking steak. And lastly, question 6. The answer was C. Salad. All the other meals are all meat. Phew, that's a lot of questions this time. Okay, take another break, 5 minutes, and then press continue with the video. You didn't press pause, did you? Okay, welcome back. Finally, let's take a look at section 3.3, the TOEIC style questions. Hopefully you can see that these are like the reading section 5, and then section 6 where you're giving a statement with missing words. Your answers should have found are as follows. Question 101, D. Complicated. Use the simple past tense. Question 102, C. Since. We are given a time period here and a starting point. We should use the word since. Question 103. Answer A. Regular. We need an adjective to answer this question, and regular is the correct adjective. Question 104. Answer D. Those. It's the pronoun instead of using the people. And lastly, 105. Answer B. You need to know that the word synthetic means the opposite of natural. Now, once again, section 4 is a glossary of words used in this lesson. Please use it for your reference. Okay, that's it for now. And 4.1, join me soon for section 4.2, where we will look again at how we complain when the food is not so good. See you again soon. Bye for now.